As we all know, Ibafana Bafetu Basindleleni Base Mexico, they probably even landed. Angas. Mara, all we want to talk about is how is Bafana gonna do Gule World Cup? Are they gonna do well? Are they gonna struggle? Are they gonna make it past the group stages? Ima Pama player that are gonna score goals. Is the squad even strong enough for Bafana to go put in a show? Lape Mexico. PSL transfers, Siabona Matima ya Saina, Matima ya Releaser, Kaizer Chiefs, Siabona se announce no coach Abo Omusha. That said, welcome to Nkuli versus Mduba Fetu vandag so basikhuluma ngayo yonke into eyenzakalayo in South African football. Siqale ngayo iBafana. Brian Momnani.
Emnandi Brian wena?
Hayi. Bathu Galaxies ngwaridi njengebafana but
a number fethu ngwaridi ngebafana obviously country yethu ya ku World Cup ama expectations makhulu kakhulu bafethu heading to World Cup. Abantu base Mexico ngiyabona benza ama clip viral bajala abantu laba ngeke balunge bajayi besazi ukuthi labantu sobashaya but masibona le squad lesi nendlela abadlala ngayo bahlulwa yiNicaragua. Kushuthi asina chance mfethu.
Mina the only thing engenza ngibe optimistic especially against Mexico. Yabona Bafana makuyi underdog yila abadlala khona kahle. Because you think about it, lesasikhathi seku AFCON last sothola khona bronze bese underdog. Ama country maningi we not even thinking Bafana izohamba iyofika na kuma semi final. Yabona bebabheke instead bono Morocco ukuthi izoyiwina only for Bafana to cause an upset shy Morocco. So against Mexico it's good ukuthi bayasinyatsa because mabasinyatsa then it means bazoya laphayana ba relaxed ukuthi alaba ngeke benze next and then mhlambe singabhobos. The biggest concern mina for mina amfaniki uma striker. Bafana ayina striker. Ikram Reyners unesikhathi esidanga kore. He hasn't been scoring. I mean, but if ubheka yena Reyners ubheka uMakhopu ubheka naye uLyle Foster Reyners uyentswe impuk bahlula bonke. But because uLyle Foster we know ukuthi favorite yaka Hugo Broos and we who's most likely to start akakwazi ukora uLyle Foster. So issue yami nje ilaphayana dependa kakhulu kuba bo Ozwina Police abo Tebogo Mokoena ukuthi ba shoot from range nabo talent embatha. I think that's where we're going to get the goals. Nombokazi because uMbokazi uyakwazi ukuthi nakushubile aphakamisa isandla shaya isibhamu.
Yeah, ngicabanga ukuthi Nombokazi bafethu mele uzozama ukuya phambili but if bazoba under pressure kakhulu against Mexico because Mexico izo attack. Mina ngibona iMexico ishanga amagoli amaningi not 1 not 2 ngibona abashanga more than 3 goals ngoba base home mawubheke if i-stadium sabo 80,000 abase South Africa bakuzobe kuyilaba abathola ama-ticket abaflyisi laba yi-23 or abayingakhi I think not more than 100 kodwa yabo. So ama odds against Bafana even nalapha ne-stadium kuzoba nzima kakhulu but at the end of the day njengoba nawo shili Bafana izokusurprise yabona makuwa ama-underdogs Bafana vele izokusurprise ifuna badlala kahle kulawo ma situations lawo whether badlala neMorocco badlala nani sayibona iMorocco khona la yenza kahle kakhulu ku previous World Cup yabo. So Bafana maybe my big situation yabo Morocco maybe naye ngaba ne chance but yeah indaba yama striker bafethu inkinga of the problem inkinga enkulu bafethu yabo. So khona abantu abathi iMexico vele ngeke ilo ngeke isidle iMexico ngiyayibukela mina bafethu bengiyibukela ile game yaba against iPortugal bengiyibukela ile game the previous game le bebadla nani neGhana ba better than thina just in terms of just the ball but on the day kuzobonakala ukuthi abafana bethu mentally and physically ba ready na ukulwa against Mexico. Ngeke imatch ibelula but Bafana ina pressure iya kule game level as ama underdogs they have nothing to lose.
Mina I think I understand why like yang confuse lento le ukuthi why abantu bayisaba so eMexico. It's not like Mexico banama players adlala kubo Barcelona, Madrid, Atletico Madrid. It's not like they have players abadlala kuma league amakhulu la singaze sisho sithi so dlala nabantu abasuka le bazidlalela kuma Betway Premiership bazidlalela kuma league asifanele na wethu. So I think mina pound for pound Bafana neMexico iyalingana and khumbula iMexico phela saba host 2010 sababamba to a 1-0 draw. So mina for mina this time what could happen either Bafana izowina or sizodlala to draw. My biggest concern Hugo Broos doesn't really believe in his players. Hugo Broos uyasaba ukuya kule World Cup le. The reason ngithi uyasaba ukuya kule World Cup le ubona ngaze way up i-defense yakhe ngakhona ukuthi bafethu mina ngiyela phayana with one strategy only defend and then attack. So meaning Bafana there's a very high chance ukuthi Bafana izofuna ukufika le eMexico idlala low block and low block akusibhola lethu la South Africa. La South Africa siyasabantu that enjoy being on the ball and then high pressing country. Yabo. So my biggest concern is Hugo Bruce doesn't understand italent analo and futhi akakwazi ukwasebenzisa ama player wakhe and akazi ukuthi umunye amsebenzise nini makunjani nanoma kwenzakalani. You going to iWorld Cup umzamile uLyle Foster wamguy opportunity wathi boy play against Nicaragua, let the fans win back confidence yakho wakechi penalty. So number 1 i-confidence yamjida ilow. uLyle Foster kana confidence at all khona manje i-team yakhe iqeda ukurelegatewa akakoranga amagoli abalekile lapha na so i-confidence yakhe phansi. As a smart coach what do? Mfana umqalise benchini, dlala uIkram Reyners ubuke uNikef as much as naye akakoranga kakhulu but number 2 kuphethe premiership ngamagoli uhlulwa umuntu ongaswala South Africa. So where South African strikers are concerned uIkram Reyners has scored more goals than Evidence Makgopa no Lyle Foster combined. Mawungathatha amagoli ka Evidence Makgopa nawo ka Lyle Foster wahlanganisa uIkram Reyners uyabahlula by a very big margin. So I think into nje enkhathaza yilapho ukuthi Hugo Bruce akekho that confident kumanye ama player laba kabathembayo. They always disappoint him. So ufuna ukuba loyal kubo nanoma bona ukuthi sana mfana mara yaya ngokuphila ichance boy. Lyle ngokuphila ichance boy. Sharp, I'm taking you to the World Cup. Mara ingena second half maybe mawungangena i-team seyikorile ungangena nawo ubuyise confidence because I'm telling you Lyle Foster right now confidence iphansi and he knows ukuthi i-country complain ngayo.
Yeah, makumela abamdlalisa umjita njengoba usho ukuthi uReyners bekumele ngabe bayamdlalisa but abamdlalisa uReyners. UReyners ngicabanga ukuthi abamthandi nokumthanda lapha eScotland. Phela uHugo Bruce unama favorite wakhe yabo. Uya decide ukuthi ngidlalisa bani. Ubani ozoqala if akaqala uFoster vela kumelanga aqale. Umjita uyambona nawo ukuthi akumelanga aqale. So ioption manje uEvidence Makgopa istrike esisaziyo ke sidumile sakuOrlando Pirates yabo. So angazi ukuthi naye ngayilethelani bafana especially ku stage esifana ne World Cup yabo like ngeke kube lula khona but yeah kuzoba exciting ukubukela iWorld Cup thina siyo edama number siyolala ema-hotel kamnandi lapha eUnited States nase Mexico but ke in terms of ukuwina ayikuzoba difficult kakhulu. Ngiyazi ukuthi abantu bafuna ukuthi sibe positive, there's no way bafethu ngithi mina bafana izoshaya eMexico angeke sihluleka ukushaya i-team one of the lowest ranked teams in the world. Then isifuna ukucabanga ukuthi soshaya eMexico. By the way khona amanye ama player eMexico uRaul udlala ku Fulham if angilenza iphutha yabo, abanye badlala kuma Portugal, khona badlala kuma decent leagues, khona bamdropile uLozano noma ubani istriker besiwashaya amagoli, khona ileague man team enkulu bekayidlala just ukuthi discipline akanayo.
But Nkuli izwi point yami banomuntu bane left back edlala ku Fulham, we have a striker edlala ku Burnley, banama players edlala ePortugal, we have players abadlala ePortugal bona boyaya. iMexico nebafana bayalingana yabona as much as they are above ibafana ngama rankings wabo. Enye into iHugo Bruce research emele ukuthi ayenze ukuthi the last continental competition iMexico yenze kanjani, how far did they get ku last continental competition yabo, lapha abasuka khona ku continent yabo basatshwa kangakanani laba abantu ba respectwa kangakanani, because thina masiya ku AFCON yethu yokugcina bafana was respected. Even ama legend wakamanye ama country were saying that they're expecting bafana to do well. Mamelodi Sundowns just won the CAF Champions League, a South African team. You understand? So ibhola la South Africa li in high spirits. That's why ngithi mina my concern ucoach uHugo Bruce ukuthi uzowadlalisa kanjani lama player lawa. You have uKhuliso Mudau, Aubrey Mudiba, Teboho Mokoena, Jaden Adams no Ikram Reyners no nalomfana lo goalkeeper Ronwen Williams. Labantu laba babuyike win CAF Champions League beza ngomoyo positive. Labantu laba engibabalile most of them bayidlalile le AFCON leya winele bafana bronze. Don't fix it if it's not broken. Thatha lama chita lawa ubafake and then pecha lapho ngalapho ukuthi okay Ozwina Police vele we know ukuthi bowukhona lapha yana and you score important goals for bafana contender for player of the season Orlando Pirates. Ngena ugijimisa ama Mexican. Just give Relebohile Mfukeng mfana leya role. Muphi Mfukeng like Hugo Bruce. The reason Mfukeng sometimes doesn't show up when he has to show up is because Hugo Bruce akamthembi. It's because Hugo Bruce umfaka masakabona ngathi seka under pressure maso under pressure uzoyenzani. But if uqala ngaye from when the campaign starts uthi ntwana be yourself, dlala the ufuna udlala ngakhona, shaya amavala wakho, make your mistakes, it's fine. Bakhona bomkwena la emuva kwakho, they there for that ukuthi bazoclean up imess yakho as number 10 and then bakwinela ibhola bakuphi futhi wena ufide labantu labo bafidayo. Mina the reason ngithi start Reyners ahead of Makgopa is simply because uReyners has a better chance yokukora than uMakgopa. Makgopa has a better chance of interrupting defense. Mara sometimes mfana sifuna goal. If Mfukeng can't score yena umkwena na Ozwina Police, at least you need a striker owaziyo ukuthi labantu laba bazokorela. Hugo Bruce just needs to trust his players. And the reason ngithi akathemba ama player wakhe angeke mfethu ubiza ama defender 11 mfethu ya ku World Cup. And then Souza ama legend but yeah Germany is doing it. We are not Germany. Germany bakhe bayiwini World Cup tina we've never won it. You understand? Tina, we have a lot to gain from this World Cup. So take that risk. Angit batla batla if in melo tata risk. Why is Hugo Bruce not taking that risk? Tachi risk ukuthi I'm going there to if yafuna qala ngama defender i3. Qala ngama defender i3 and then uqalise nje midfield yakho kushube kulandwe labantu laba. I don't understand swasabani lama country labo bu Mexico nan. Nathi we have our own development structures. Nathi our players were developed. Nanoma bathi umuntu develop ebhuqwini. Abo Neymar nabo bebadlala eDustin yase Brazil. It's not like uvele wavuka wadlalela team right. So we all start somewhere then we get somewhere. Into nje ngiconfuse Hugo Bruce na the way anyatsa ngakhona ama player wethu.
Yeah, Hugo Bruce, yabona urile ngabe ready manje for i-World Cup, but urile akekho ready for i-World Cup because abamniki vela ama-opportunities amaningi. Kade kumele bamyeke urile njengoba usho ukuthi azifailele if uyafaila but bamnike lo confidence babelieve kuye yabo. But uyabona ukuthi akekho sure Hugo Bruce yabo akekho sure ngorile Mfukeng and there's no way phela uThemba Zwane uyi-legend uyi-icon but there's no way uchoose uThemba Zwane uqalisa uThemba Zwane kunorile Mfukeng yabo. So izoba interesting kakhulu le World Cup but mina I would say the face of ilo ile squad lisa i-World Cup would be for me also Napolis. So ngiyazi ukuthi abantu abaningi babheke lona ulokhunjana Mfukeng there's no way ukuthi actually bafana ngizoba surprise if uzoyithwala but also Napolis ngibheke yena lamjita lo uneplan yabona makuthiwa khona umjito oneplan also Napolis amathemba amalele kuyo also Napolis ukuthi surprise umhlaba wonke
confidence
yeah akasabu to take players on uyakwazi ukushoot uyakwazi ukuphasa una everything ukuthi abe world class football yabo and aka give up umjita njengoba ngihlezi ngisho mengikhuluma ngayo as for i defense ukuthi be stable we not sure ukuthi sodlalisa obani umakhanya naye ufikile udlala igame yakhe yokuqala against Nicaragua celebrate ama player bafana ngoba kuthiwa sinama defenders akwazi ukutrap not ukuthi baya defend when they are tested against ama team angcono laphana kuloku World Cup kuzoba nenkingi indaba kaSibisi ke ay usibisi ngicabanga ukuthi bambize ngoba Hugo Bruce loyal to Sibisi yabo because usibisi since afika uHugo Bruce ukhona usibisi
yeah
so ileo loyalty leyo masikhuluma ngayo sithi loyal usibisi is not like is the best defender in the country no he's not even the best player position yakhe lapha yabo but ke maybe uyakwazi ukubaculela lapha emuva yabo naye uyakwazi ukubanika leso spirit leso ay captain futhi Orlando Pirates phela Orlando Pirates wadla ama game a few uyakwazi ukuya kubafana abafana ukuthi uperforma kanjani Hugo Bruce akanandaba
no kumele ngikulungisa lapho if ubodlala ama game a5 uyakubafana abafana ulibone siyema bekazoba lapha ya you right mawuthi Hugo Bruce akanandaba ne performance uba loyal playing if Hugo Bruce bekabheka performance ngabe abolibone siyema balapha ya as much as angeke azamdlala mara mfana kumthatha umise lapha na for experience cabanga ngiyafu khona uzokupha nolibone siyema uzoyenza izinto zenzeka mina ngizoba nevar mfethu into mina ne that unkosinathi Sibisi bambizele yona I don't think bambizele kakhulu iability yakhe yokudefenda nanani i-leadership bambizele i-leadership sometimes you need umuntu okwazi ukuvusa ispirit samajita nawa phansi and you can see it
uzolwa no coach Orlando Pirates lo muntu ubuya spirit mngana masikhulu no coach
angithi yabona fana kusihlaziya kahle fana kusikhuluma ibhola fana unkosinathi Sibisi une leadership. And I'm not saying this because I'm a supporter of Orlando Pirates. Ubheke nanoma ispirit sama player Orlando Pirates siphansi. Ngikhumbula nalaphi Pirates mayidlala ne Richards Bay bazo draw 2-2. Even when Orlando Pirates had to chase the game, uSibisi uye beka lokho avuselela amajita ukuthi asiyeni. Ubonile nange AFCON nanoma consider ama mistake lapha ku AFCON wayenza ama mistake wavuselela amajita ukuthi let's not give up now. So I think uHugo Bruce kwezinye izinto akabheki kakhulu ability yakhe yokudlala as a player. But ubheka number 1 team spirit, ubheka effort oyifaka kayo ubheka i-leadership yakho you understand so I think mina enginto abamthathele yona uSibisi is because of leadership yakho because we know we meet defend of the season ulibone siyama it has to be ulibone siyama la mfana lo yawudlalile from adlala noMbokazi to now playing naye unkosinathi Sibisi. Now another thing that I want to talk about is team selection yaka Hugo Bruce. Team selection mfana imshayile ngeAFCON imshayile team selection where he had players abeka ngawadlala ahead of certain players but he decided to be loyal to certain players zakhala zamletha down list. So mina concern am ukuthi na ku World Cup uHugo Bruce knowing the kind of person that he is uThemba Zwane shouldn't be ku starting lineup sebafana he shouldn't even be on the bench bekumele uhlala le Mastenzini if bayahlala eMastenzini ku World Cup. The reason I'm saying this is akatholi game time ku Mamelodi Sundowns and siyambona this season akakakoro Thembazwana akaka assist this season mawubheka ama stats ka Thembazwana uhlulwa ngisho uTito bekangena from the bench most of the season uqala ama game manje uthi bangimurimi masekalimele ulentoza uTito. So I think the biggest issue here is we are being loyal to players nanoma sibona ukuthi sani mfana but lay competition akusi relationship yempilo ukuthi asengibheke ukuthi na outside of football sisazoqhubeka sizwana I competition. South Africans are hungry for this. Bafana hasn't played the World Cup in a very long time. Has Bafana even reached ama knockout stages where World Cup? Because reaching ama knockout stage for us South African is an achievement. Aso jabula thina nabangathi yabona mfana ngiyayibona last 32 nabangathi bafana ifike ku last 16 aso bashayela izandla amajita City Gents asinandaba ne trophy as long as sikwazi ukufika lapha sabonisa umhlaba ukuthi nathi we are capable, that's all we want. But now the question is ngama player of form, can we expect that to happen?
Kuzoba nzima egamini but ngeke sigive up kumele so I'll be there mina ngizoba support amajita every game yabo. Ngifuna urile mfuke ngenze kahle ku World Cup ngifuna evidence mahopa ngifuna ngishayile hat-trick yabo eba ngamthatha even na pheshe ungwana6 kwazibani but so bona lapha ukuthi ama players omisela kanjani yazi khona into uHugo Broos since afike la South Africa ngilazi ibhola lidlala wena lo mkhulu lo angilazi akekho umuntu ongathi uHugo Broos udlala ibhola likanje yabo uHugo Broos uthatha ama systems wasema teamini uthi Orlando Pirates idlalisa uReal number 10 nami ngimfakeza number 10 inini uthatha lezo zinto lezi from ema teamini angisazi style of play. Ngi example like ngabona uWadu ngiyayibona into ushintsha azena lapha na Orlando Pirates yabo ngibonile ama coaches weKaizer Chiefs ukuthi okay bebangafuna ukattack kakhulu I style of play sabo ngiyasibona lesa ka Hugo Broos angisiboni angazi ukuthi udlala ibhola elinjani uyicoach eattackayo uyicoach edefensive like uzokusurprise you never know what to expect ngoHugo Broos but ke iWorld Cup ipresenter istage esikhulu ukuthi obviously bafana ikwazi ukuadvertiser ngoba kubukela abantu abaningi billions but ayisobona ukuthi amajida bafethu azokwazi ukulo omunye like in terms of defense ulo umbokazi uyumbokazi sazi ukuthi okay umbokazi uzoba khona lapha nemuva but uzokwazi ukudeliver na umbokazi ngoba iheight bazomshaya ngeheight kwamanye ama game yabo aggression ikhona but nombokazi mawuloku umface uzolala usakhumbula against iZimbabwe bamuthi waziwela phansi.
I think mina ngizomdefend in this case umbokazi. I think umbokazi mina uzoqhakaza uzoshine. One thing engithanda ngombokazi akanandaba akasabi nix umbokazi. He take like there's a bit of a resemblance aka Andile Jali in terms of aggression yakhe umbokazi. Andile Jali naye bekangasabi bekaya ebholweni athatha ibhola enza izinto. So umbekezela imbokazi is one player ungamthola jump afuna ukuheader. Ungamthola jump afuna ukuheader abona ukuthi alela ngifiki kulo ayenze iplan azafikelele kulo. So one thing about umbokazi I'm not really concerned or worried about how umbokazi is going to perform yabo into mina nje engiconcerned ngayo kakhulu as you said bola liphi Hugo Broos aya ngalo lapha yana and uzofaka muphi umqondo kulama player lawa asikhulume ngale game yabo eNicaragua before sivala ibafana host iNicaragua asilazi igama lale country. Mina I've never heard of the country. Mangizwa bathi ranked ko 100 and what ngiyazibuza ukuthi ifike kanjani kula 100 la country leya singayazi nokuyazi. Ibafana plays a goalless draw na le team le. Ola ilforced to thola ithuba le penalty akakuri. Mina my question to Hugo Broos was what's the point of this game? Ungitshela ukuthi uthathe le game le ukuthi wena udlalisa ama player waziyo ukuthi ngeke adlale ku World Cup. You are wasting their time. You're wasting isikhathi sethu as a country. You should have just let us support Mamelodi Sundowns lapha because manje laba bantu laba badlala on the same day as Mamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns is displaying South African football good global stage prior to the World Cup. Someone smart yazi uthini no bafana pozani nizodlala nina masesifike eMexico sendlala nabo Jamaica nanani. Mamelodi Sundowns show these people ukuthi nathi sikwazi ukwenzana. Show these people ukuthi masidlala ibhola senzani. Mamelodi Sundowns ya representa kahle 3-1 score khala kasha ziyakhala iMexico yaqala yasho yo mangabe laba basele benza so laba beza ku World Cup bona banjani now iMexico enzani seyisithatha serious yabona ukuthi bafana izo challenger but they decide to play on that day udlala ama player ngeke azawadlale le. Let's be honest guys lesa starting 11 lesangeke sisibone ku World Cup which is why mangibona umshishi lapha ngibena lento ukuthi there's a very high chance ukuthi umshishi ngeke adlale makaqalele ya game uLyle Foster kuphela oqalele ya game ozobuya adlale mabadlala lapha yana ku World Cup and then baya draw na le team leya. What a useless game. Bafana didn't need that game. Mangazi wena ngicabanga.
So ibafana yodlala ne team yase Asia, yodlala ne team yase Europe, yodlala ne team yase Central America ne. bekumele ama friendly games webafana sithola i-team yase Europe isithola i-team yase Asia no bona balanda ama teams bafethu obonayo na ukuthi ayikho into esoyibenefit esoyithola so challenge kanjani against ama Asians uzochallenge kanjani because kumele uprepare at least ne Japan if uzodlala ne South Korea because uyazi ukuthi South Korea good yabo but ke bona bazokhetha Hugo Bros beka-complaina ngokuthi angazi bazotravela kanjani bekune chance ukuthi badlale neSerbia labantu laba bawafuna ama match anzima bebacabanga ukuthi lama match abawachoosile lawa Panama back to back plus neNicaragua bacabanga ukuthi bazowawina and then bavusa spirit even some fans bahlulekile kuwawina lawo ma match lawo yabo hey thina semove abafowethu but ke sithemba ukuthi amajita save energy yawo for ilona iFIFA World Cup but I don't think we do well ku FIFA World Cup uhluleka na kuma friendly games bafowethu Nicaragua bekungamele idlale nayo futhi laba ngisho bebafuna iLesotho just nje bathi hayi ithi sibhayizise nje kancane ngoba bathi bacomplaina ngeimali ukuthi host amanye imali ayikho lento le bafethu abayishoyo ku SAF iSAF ineponzo Standard Bank obani bangatshela isponsor sabo ukuthi sicela nisifly sese Europe kuphela bazovuma kuphela bazovuma
or sicela nisibhadalele silethu Messi eSouth Africa play against Argentina
yes imali yenu nizoyithola back kuma ngama image right masisebenzele masithengisela iSuperSport inini nizoyithola yonke le mali yenu yabo so but iSAF at no iMessi uzohlaza iArgentina izohlaza ithi silandela abo Nicaragua so ishabo ma4 no bahlulekile ukulo next time i-preparation phela balekile if uya ku World Cup competition enkulu bafethu ukuziprepare kahle labantu bahlulekile ukuziprepare kahle bebafana I remember there was this one coach uPitso Msimane naye asho ukuthi angazi bekafuna ama friendly games ama high profile friendly games bamblamela lokho bathi mfethu bheke uLesotho bheka obani bano Comoros noma obani lawo malo bafuna ukudlala ukukhipha irecord baloko bathi bane record elihle kanti bekumele bazichallenge if liSerbia yabahlula fine but bagaina something njengoba bazodlala neCzech Republic so izinto bekumele babe well equipped babe ready but it shows ukuthi ama leaders wethu abanye abantu aba involved lapha bafethu abacabanga the weight on the ground esicabanga ngakhona
kune rumor la yokuthi bafana kule game eNicaragua idlale ngama player 12 wena cause umuntu ene 411 iqiniso leyo nto le
khona isikhathi la bebadlala ngama think beba replace bebafaka khona ama player 2 bebawafaka ngazi kwasala kanjani then sebadlala ngama player 12 bahluleka ukukora ngama player 12 bafana
babayeka badlala ngama player lawo 12
badlala ngama player 12 bahluleka labantu laba 12 players and khona imoment enkulu kule game le uThemba Zwane bekumele ngabe ukorile uThemba Zwane usibili umshanga cross enhle uThemba Zwane uyahluleka ukushaya nje tap in uthi bam mfethu uyahluleka uThemba Zwane the only thing enhle ngiyibonile uThemba Zwane ukushaya isithende usibonile nasisithende sakhe
ayabona ngesithende nalapha ku World Cup uzoshaya lama kishama 1-2 athi isithende uqedile but I have a big problem ne and ngishilo masiqala ngathi low block akusibhola le South Africa we can't play it and we struggle to penetrate low block and ngizokutshela why ngisho so sithe lapha mazala nayo neNicaragua nanoma sesi12 bayishayile low block ikwazile bafana ukupenetrate abakwazanga iChiefs iyenzile against iSundowns yahluleka Durban City yayenza against iPirates yahluleka yabuya iOrbit College yayenza against Orlando Pirates nayo they couldn't penetrate so that's why ngithi the biggest concern go bafana lies lapha phambili Goma attack and because like South Africa especially in Hugo Bruce we don't really believe in a creative number 10 so ibhobaza kanjani low block because amanye ama coach mfethu ahlakaniphile babheka ama weakness wakho nabazodlala against i-team yakho let's say for example iCzech ya Orion South Korea babonile ukuthi okay laba badlala ne country encane le country le bashanje ngokuma so nePanama imile yasibhekelela dozana sizonishanga ama dead ball and they did exactly that because amanye ama team ahlakaniphile if bafana plays against the team edlala low block ibafana izo struggle penetrate because number 1 umuntu mpano ongakubhobozela low block akekho sefomini manje Themba Zwane uyi umuntu okwazi ukubhoboza ngene mara manje akekho sefomini naye umfukeng yamhlula yena self low block makudlalwa nge-low block uyaya then he cuts back alay back he cuts back alay black bafana it's an issue in South African football la siyahluleka ukuphiesa uyabona once i-team yamaso akhohle siloko siyalinoka dominate ball position
iqiniso ukuthi ilo national team yethu ayina plan lokora ayigoli finder wonke amagoli esiwashaya asina plan thina mfethu sadla neEgypt kuAfcon Egypt 1 man down bathole red card red card bashota besilibamba ibhola sidominate iball position asazi nokuthi senzeni ngebhola asazi mfethu like uyabona noma umuntu abamba ibhola akazi ukuthi cross noma enzeni abana plan labantu angazi ukuthi bajimani lapha nejimini abanawo ama pattern ukuthi okay mase ba -1 badlala sidlala against abantu abayi10 ilo Egypt beyizimele laphana ine shape yayo and then beyingamove laphana ibafana beyiba frustrated say cross ama ball uFoster ukwambona phi isikhathi esiningi loka computer le phezulu yabo so iplan ilento right mawukhala ngokuthi in terms of ama players are creative asinawo ama players are creative enough because uThembazwane yazi kudala ithwala ibafana dala ayithwala khona la China Nigeria Abuja noma ngathi bedlana Abuja bokuThembazwane yazi madlala nethi one of the best teams on the continent in Algeria Thembazwane naye bekaphile laphana uyabona that is why even namhlanje Hugo Broos select uThembazwane because uyazi ukuthi wamenzelani yena as a coach uyazi ukuthi wayenzelani ibafana so mawubheka
so that's why ngisho ngithi the problem is the one player kumele silithembe akekho sefomini you understand now there's pressure on Mfukeng ukuthi aphakamisa isandla athi I will be that guy. Question is will he be that guy? Can he be that guy ku stage esikhulu kanje because Mfukeng makangashayina ku World Cup akasabuye South Africa. If Mfukeng ashayina ku World Cup akhohlwane ukuthi nombona ku CAF Champions League guphi uyahamba overseas Ozyonapolis naye self makangashayina akasabuyi uyabona and another player engimthembayo ukuthi yena naye angazama something uMkwena but uMkwena akusumuntu ongamupha like full dependence ukuthi ntwana ngicela kube u creative player yami because yena uye osporta lo creative amnike bese lo umunye ayenza izinto zenzeke and again you look at nama midfield uHugo Broos awaselectile kunama similarities amaningi kulabantu laba they offer you the same thing uTebogo Mokoena strong defensively unokuya phambili ashute but uNtswembu defensively talent embatha uyama Jaden Adams uyayasithola sisambali so laba bayi3 badlala into ecishe ifana we don't have a number 8 labantu laba bonke ama standing 6 labantu laba boyi3 umbheka umbatha nako Pirates yes he's always in the game but ilama central midfielder lawa athanda ukustick athanda ukuma and that's his strength and I'll never say kuye ntwana mele ukuthi upush or wenzeni because his strength sakhe ukudlala ngaleyo ndlela the moment wazama ukumpush umshayisi 8 uyenza umsebenzi wakhe kube nzima and mfana yabona makashaya double pivot udlala kamnandi umbatha makano like umbheke makadlala nomakhehleni makhawula yabo so again another issue South Africa ina number 8 ina number 10 so zomthathu number 10 sibe naye but we don't have an attacking midfielder ngizoyenza example Sergio Busquets Xavi Iniesta uye bekashay creativity he wasn't a number 10 because uMessi uye beka number 10 wakhona bekadlala number 8 mara uye bekashay izinto ziyenzeke sometimes number 10 mangathi akekho segamini uye kwazi ukumpick up amtholo amfake egamini question is can you depend on talent embatha to do that I don't think so can you depend on Tebza Mrembula to do that I don't think so ibhola thina esilaziyo imidfield yakho is either if ushaye double pivot okwakho as a coach but number 6 number 8 number 10 number 8 uyo creative odlalisa abantu number 10 uye sazi ukuthi ayabona maliphethe number 10 he can take players on uyakwazi ukuphesa uyakwazi ukuthi akhipe leyo bafuthi ngaze nga analyze namhlanje ngaze nga analyze so ngaze ngakhuluma ibhola
naye enye option ke bafana number 10 siyamdinga umuntu ozoba creative but bayakwazi ukudlala without number 10 going back to game against Cameroon ibafana baqala ngobathusi obasa ngithi noMukwena noSithola ngithi izothi uSithola if angilenza iphutha but bebangana number 10 but bawa create ama opportunities amaningi just bahluleka ukukora kule game le yabo banawo lento lokuthi badlale without number 10 kuya ngesystem kulelo langa lelo ukuthi bafuna ukudlala kanjani yabo so bona bayakwazi ukwa create ama opportunities just ukuthi awazi ukuthi azovelaphi awazi ukuthi azothola ubani banawo lo confidence leyo kulama game lawa amakhulu but ke i-final product lapha mabafika phambili aba i-decision making yabo final third bayahluleka because iCameroon bekumele siyibulale bengekho iCameroon first half yabo iCameroon but ngoba bayakwazi ukumanage igame ukuthatha ipressure yonke and then bakubheke ngama moments bakushaye nje one and then so under pressure bafana into ebashaya kakhulu experience nokwazi ukuhandle ama game ukwamanage ama game ukuthi okay iCameroon ilele manje but ithi singabacindezeli kakhulu siqeda amandla thina ukuthi iCameroon maseyiqala ivuka because ngicabanga ukuthi ne-fitness level ethi ayifani nalamajita lawo into efika ishaye futhi yabo i-fitness level ethi ufethu semove kakhulu ngabona kahle kule game le against iCameroon ukuthi no lamajita lawo sewahlula ngebhola but manje i-fitness mawubheka ama-play uyabona ukuthi okay laba they can last 100
labantu bakhule ngepapa nevinika mfethu laba bakhule ngepapa nevinika abethu badla umdoko necheese laba bakhule ngepapa nevinika one thing engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo ne ilo mjita lo Modiba angazi ukuthi mfana uzocabangani ngalento lo engishoyo ne but because I'm the best analyst in the country ngicabanga ukuthi kumele ibe so le ndaba le if uMudiba u100% upholile and uyabona ukuthi okay sharp awuna creativity what do you do as a coach you look at how awubheki the way Khado samdlalisa ngakhona because uKhado somdlalisa exactly how uHugo Bruce samdlalisa ngakhona beka his previous coaches from lapha saseku Super Sport then coming to Mamelodi Sundowns uRulani Mukwena beka menzani uRulani Mukwena beka mthatha mpusha DC number lapha na ku midfield and when he adds numbers lapha ku midfield because une skill and le left foot yakhe Ntswembu yakwazi ukushama long pass umuntu Ntswembu ke nange through pass ule konje oBrumudiba yabona uBrian Leon I'm sure naye la khona yasho ukuthi yabona the one player South Africa kwazi ukungithola uObrumudiba ngoba uyamthola beka nama set piece akawashayayo you take Obrimudiba you push him good boy hamba your Eddie number lapha in the middle ne then bese wenzani take Khulumani Ndamani play him in his rightful position as a left back uKhulumani Ndamani uyamthatha uNdamani umshayisi left back uNombokazi lana and then I don't know between Spisi no Imeko Nozakhethe and Hugo Bruce because there are a lot of similarities kulabo bayi2 and then lapha ku right back ophethe uKhuriso Mutau uyazi ukuthi uKhuriso Mutau uyancanya ukushaya up and down lezi ezi3 yazizwenzani okona uzokhava ispace saka Mndau uMbokazi will be the last man maceda lapha uNdamani uvalile la ku left ngiyakutshela we added numbers to attack Obrimudiba khona into azokunika yona lapha phambili he can find Ikram Reyners plus udlala naye another thing that Obrimudiba can do for you because evidence Mahupu ne height second half makangene evidence Mahupu uMudiba uyozomthola ngala and Mahupu uyakwazi ukora ngehead I've never seen Lyle Foster kora ngehead andingangilungisa bafethu but angikhumbule and then uMahupa uzokushayela la maheda la you need a left footer sometimes ku midfield yakho manje umuntu odlala ngo left lapha ku midfield yakho mfana izinto i-opposition yakhe ivele idideke beka uMessi beka yenzani ku Barcelona the only left footer in that midfield beka trick abantu
uMudiba eshinkinga abolo abo coach nababana plan uMudiba kahle vele bekangasi defender ngithi bekadlala imidfielder lo muntu lo ende beka uhlakaniphe kakhulu une point mawusho ukuthi okay bangakwazi ukufaka omunye umuntu ku left back uMbokazi angakwazi ukuba i-left kuba ku left back ngoba mfishane kwamanye ama game noNdamani ngiyacabanga because akumelanga baye phambili kakhulu kulama game la bazobe ba under pressure so ukufaka maybe uMudiba kwenye position ingabasiza and ingaba stable ilo midfield eSouth Africa if khona lo muntu lo because is a good passer off the ball uyakwazi ukuprotecta unaso leso skill leso intelligence IQ yakhe ebhola inkulu compared to abanye abantu ile phezulu so umuntu ongakwazi ukusiza and maningi amanye amalo ama players adlala kuma different position because there was a game la uThapelo Morena limala bebamdlalisa as a wing uHugo Bruce and emuva wakhe bekukhona uMudau so ilawo ma surprises engwa expectile mina and then maybe bafana ngadlala different but if uzo actor njenge robot singaba ne problem
because also
uObri ngeke awazi ukudefenda kahle ku World Cup noma ngaphola be right but ku defense lapha baba under pressure kakhulu angeke akwazi ukudefenda kakhulu lapha ku left back so as a midfielder angakwazi ukwenza kahle kakhulu as for uKabini bafethu
I know uGabi usamkelo uKabini bafethu akahamba yothola experience le experience bekumele ithola abo libona siyema nabo Chandra Campbell nabo Talent Smith lento ananyana lezi ezincane Brian asivalela Kaizer Chiefs announce ucoach wabo omusha konje manje France ubani De Cruz bani De Cruz ayilebo ngaza Fernando de Cruz Fernando de Cruz bama announce lo mjida lo kuyasebenza noNabi I think uhlale noNabi like 2 months or something and then bese wavaya and then obviously bathatha bona bo Ben Yusuf Nanan Kaizer Chiefs just doesn't want to seem to let go of Nabi anything is no Nabi they still holding on to lento leyo and the system yaka Nabi yonke iphelele ayisebenzanga mfana from the technical team yakhe from ama assistant wakhe nan everything beyize no Nabi ku Chiefs ayisebenzanga if you are moving on from a coach move on from a coach ngisho nayo yonke into ezenayo from i philosophy yakhe because clearly uNabi didn't understand the culture of the club and I think as much as abanye because ngiyabona ku social media abanye sebathi marano Abdeslam Mowadi bekangana trophy makafika ku Orlando Pirates Abdeslam Mowadi yes the mandate was simple win the league but he wasn't under pressure ufike vele team ine bese nama player I team beyibuya ku semi final eCAF Champions League I team beyiqeda ukwina MTN 8 baqeda ukudlala nefinal eNedbank Cup and they had already qualified for iCAF footy the only thing Orlando Pirates had to do for Abdeslam Mowadi is sign him players then yena sekazobona ukuthi wasebenzisa kanjani with this guy I don't think we can say the same because ufika eteamini where i-team yakona had to fight ukuthi bafike kule number 3 ne abayile Africa babuya Orlando Pirates also did the same nyazi bazofuna ukuyifaka leyo nto abantu kule conversation but I don't think it's fair to compare uOwadu to this guy uthi mara uOwadu na ufika ngena nix uwazi ukuthi mara lo mjita lona ufika eteamini enjani ufike eteamini egcine nini ukucompete for ileague ufike eteamini egcine nini ukuwina isilverware ufika eteamini egcine nini ukupha ama team amaningi a challenge with what players also so I don't think mina it's a fair comparison I don't know personally mina I don't think Chiefs are going to have a good season under lo mjita lo
nama ngiyibona iKaizer Chiefs bafethi bane season right under ulona uDa Cruz wakhona there's no way you know why lo muntu lo uza ne technical team yakhe ngithi so meaning that lento labazamile kuyibuild abayidestroy yonke yabo noma ngaba u good coach lo muntu lo akaza coach a full season a full 1 year eteamini bafethi akaze ahlala 1 year ku career yakhe yonke as coach cabanga akaze and isikhathi esiningi uyi assistant coach uDa Cruz ku Kaizer Chiefs bamenza head coach the only time waba head coach kancane ukuthi mengathi ihlakaniphile iAsfar kuphela that's the I think lapho wahlala 11 months 11 or 10 months kuphela and isikhathi esiningi uba i-technical director uKaizer Chiefs bafunani kulomjida lo bayazi ukuthi bazokwazi kumlawula bazokwazi kumcontroller cause uyi-assistant coach abafuni ucoach o-independent kuKaizer Chiefs ozobatshela ukuthi no isystem yamnayi bafuna umuntu abazomtshela ukuthi uDuba kudala agcina ukudlala wena mfethu wenzani yabo so abantu vele bafaka le ndaba leka oWard ukuthi hayi na ufike Orlando Pirates uWard ufike Orlando Pirates kune structure i-technical team Orlando Pirates bayigcine yonke uWard kuphela omusha wada akafikanga neteam yakhe ufike nesystem esebenzayo yena bekumele enhance kuphela le system yeOrlando Pirates ngihlezi ngikhuluma ngabantu aba behind the scenes abo Jacobs bafethu abashaya lapha abasebenza behind closed doors or behind the scenes in terms of ama free kick ama corner uyabona isignature khona yeOrlando Pirates this season yokuthi bathathe ibhola bangalifaki balifake balishaye nje lihambe phansi ubumureme balishaye phakathi yabo leyo bakora ngakhona against Kaizer Chiefs umsebenzi weOrlando Pirates technical team as a whole yabo uRulani Mkhona ngeke ngasho ukuthi Orlando Pirates wayefuna kuza ne-technical team yakhe but no uzosibuyisela emuva wena ufuna ilike siyiwine ngo-2093 yabo ngeke ucoach then bane assistant coach yakhe uMandla ubaba Mandla lapha yabo naye uya contribute lapha kuOrlando Pirates wadi ufike ne-style sakhe ukuthi abagijima abafani i-level abayibele naphezulu but uyabona ukuthi there's a difference man iOrlando Pirates bathola i-team stable lo ulona uDa Cruz uthole i-team all over the place abekho shwa ngamaplayer amaningi lapha kuKaizer Chiefs sokumele kuhlalwe phansi bazobuilda i-team entsha yabo so usenkingeni mfethu ngicabanga ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ngeke ifinishe kunami well ibethu yePremiership ama team amaningi awekho good enough vele but iKaizer Chiefs they won't do better than the previous campaign kule campaign lesiya kuyo ngeke ngalo mjida lo
I know mfana mina side nami I cooked ukudla kwami kuvuthiwe kuboyiliwe badlila abantu
unokuthi uyapheka bafethu vele ushise yabo noma ngavutho uthi uphekile baningi abantu abaphekayo kodwa abakwazi ukupheka kodwa ke ngoba ubondile uphekile
ngoba sibondile siphekile let's hope Hugo Bruce ulibondile ipapa lakhe liyovutha libe mnandi bathi nabadla abafana bangadla into eshile so that nathi ama fan masibabona sibabone bondlekile ba right igama uMdusibeko ngiphethe
Unkuliso wakhe izinja amadoda zakhe ushukela etiyeni abanye bangasawuboni the face of South African football no voice is bigger than this ngizibiza ngegama lami la ngempela angifaka uPepe egcineni ngingakhohlwa bafethu ukulandela Unkuliso wakhe ku YouTube
Danko